It has been 24 hours later, and we are going to check to see if the journal and the charms are ready. They might not be yet. If they aren't ready, leave it for another 12 to 24 hours and then they should be good to go. Remember that with this resin, it will still be a little bendy, especially if you have more of the white in it, then it will definitely still be on the bendier side. So to check, I just do a couple of touches to see if anything feels sticky, if finger marks show up, and it looks pretty good. So we are going to take it out. Okay, next we are going to assemble the journal. When you take the journal pages out, you might need to reset them because they will slide around a little bit. Place the cover on top, lining up the holes, and then you're gonna open the binding. To do that, you have to push away from each other and then open. It's a little trickier to open because we don't want it to be too loose. If it's too loose, then it would fall apart when it was on the journal. So use a little bit of muscle to push them apart and then pull open. I'm going to take the journal, line up the holes, and you can thread through the back or through the front. I'm going to thread through the back. When you thread it through, it helps to rotate it before you're closing it, and you can just pinch them closed. Next, we will do the big charms. With these, it's important not to pull these apart too hard. If you do, it could bend the wire and it won't close as nice. It still works, it's not a problem if that happens, but just go a little bit gentle on these charms or a ring. To thread them on, open it up, a little gentle, and you can also, this is another great thing to have your helper help you with. You're gonna slide it over the key ring and then through the hole. Thread it around. And then to clasp, you can just open it and hook it on whatever you want. The final thing that the kit comes with are the 3 large holographic stickers. These can be placed on the cover of your journal, on the inside of your journal, or anywhere else that you just want a little bit of shine added to your life. I'm gonna put one on my journal cover.